Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this PDF editor website, which is DocHub. So here's a breakdown. DocHub is a web-based PDF editor that makes viewing, signing, annotating and editing PDFs super simple. No heavy software installed required. You can highlight text, add signatures, fill form, insert images and collaborate with others in real time, which make it ideal for students, professional and team who deals with contract, report and share documents regularly. It's cloud synchronization and it integrates with platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, which help keep everything organized in one place. That said, HubDoc editing capability aren't as deep as full-featured desktop editors like Adobe Acrobat Pro or other OCR or complex layout tweak. Some advanced users might find the free trial limit a bit restrictive before upgrading. So in my opinion, the DocHub is one of the best PDF editor for fast, straightforward editing and signing online, especially if you want a clean, easy workflow without heavyweight software. But powerful user might need intense layout control or with a more advanced tools for more better output compared to this platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.